Welcome to My Indian Astrology. Today I will discuss about premature death of father. Ninth house is the house of father and significator of father is sun. Ninth lord and sun should be strong for father's life. And 8 from 9, that is fourth house, and fourth lord should be strong for father's life. Planetary position for short living father. A debilitated planet in the fourth house without conjoining or aspect of benefic planet. Suppose Mars debilitated in fourth house and Mars has no aspect of benefic and Mars posited in fourth house alone. Rahu in the fourth house with aspect to the sun. That means Rahu in the fourth house and sun in the 10th house. Sun Saturn, Rahu Saturn and Sun Rahu in the fourth house. Fourth lord conjoining with a debilitated planet or debilitated planet aspecting fourth house having the sun or ninth lord. That means in the fourth house there should be sun or ninth lord and a debilitated planet aspecting the fourth house. Fourth house from sun aspected by a debilitated planet means sun can be posited anywhere and fourth from sun aspected by a debilitated planet. Rahu and Saturn conjoining fourth from sun or the ninth lord. That means wherever sun is posited, Rahu and Saturn conjoining fourth. Suppose sun posited in or ninth lord posited in first house. So Rahu and Saturn should be in the fourth house. Eighth lord aspecting fourth house having a malefic means suppose in fourth house Saturn is there and eighth lord from 10th house aspecting the fourth house. Venus and Jupiter combust in the ninth house and ninth lord is in debilitation. Mars in the 7th and Sun and Rahu in 9th house. 9th lord in 12th and Jupiter and Mars are in mutual opposition. Add Sun's longitude with Gulika's longitude. If resultant degree counted from Aries falls in the 4th or 8th from Sun or from 9th lord. So first add the Sun's longitude with the Gulika's longitude and count that degree from Aries sign. And if that degree falls in a house which is 4th or 8th house from Sun or from 9th lord. If we add the Sun's longitude with Gulika's longitude and resultant degree if falls very close to Rahu's degree means within 1 or 2 degree Sun in the 8th and 8th lord in the 9th house. 12th lord in the 9th and 9th lord in his debilitation Navamsha. That means in the D1 chart, 12th lord in the 9th house, and suppose 9th lord is Mars, and this Mars posited in Capricorn in Navamsha. Sun and 8th lord conjoins and ascendant lord in 8th house. Means Suns and 8th lord conjoins in any house and ascendant lord in 8th house. Rahu is in the 4th and Sun is in the 5th house. Sun is in 3rd and Rahu is in 9th house. For a movable ascendant, Sun posited in 5th house and occupying a movable or dual Navamsha. Suppose movable ascendant, Aries is movable ascendant. For Aries ascendant, Sun posited in 5th house and occupying a movable, suppose another movable sign is Libra, and so this Sun occupying Libra sign in Navamsha. Saturn in 1st, Moon in 6th and Mars in 7th house. Jupiter in 1st and Sun, Saturn, Mars and Mercury, all 4 planets in 2nd house. Sun in 7th, Mars in 10th and Rahu in 12th house. Mars in 10th house in Gemini or Virgo sign. Now some planetary position for long living father. 9th lord and Sun have more strength than other planets. 9th house and Sun have beneficial aspect. 9th house contains an exalted planet or strong benefic planet. 3rd, 4th and 9th house have no weak planets. For the night birth, Saturn in exaltation or associated with benefic planets. 3rd, 6th and 12th houses aspected by benefics. 4th house has an exalted planet. 4th lord is in exaltation. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.